Okay, we have cod moist. We're gonna put in the moist. We just received the machine today, so I'm gonna just do the fish, see how it does. Okay, open it up, put it in here, close it, close both sides, 1 and 2 sides, and we're gonna put on the vacuum and seal. I already dried up the air. Okay, it sucks it in, and you can see the liquid there. Seals it. That was quick. Okay, we're gonna look at it. Cup up both sides. Open up. Oh, I don't see any liquid there. A little bit of a thing, but let's see. It looks pretty good. I don't see any problem. Very good.
Okay, so now I'm going to have my son try it just to show. He just did one, and it's pretty easy. So he's going to do it to show. Wait. Make sure you straighten out the back. Hold both sides and just make sure it's nice and flat. There you go. Now push down on both sides. All right, hit the button. Let's see what happens. There we go. All right, push it. Good job, bud. All done. Now you can flatten it out and it's ready for the freezer.